The work that we did then was not so much structured. Uh, we didn't mind how we had to like obtain the results. We simple push and then make teachers work and then give us the results. Then Chigimfundo came with a structured way of doing things. So, like for instance, even myself, I was the one person who was pushy, if I may put it that way. The Chigimfundo program came as like many initiatives that the department would come up with, you see, and uh, even our response as like teachers, like we said, anyway, this is one of the things that comes and also it will go at some point. And also uh, there would be some resistance when there is change, you see, and you think that these people are wasting our time, you see, and then we've been working and like learners were passing, you see. So what now are these people looking for, you see? So then uh, we we resisted and like it was business as usual. And I, for one, I'm one person who is like task-oriented person. You see, as long as I'm getting the job done, I want the job done. How one is like getting that job done, it is a matter for another day and another time. You see, so we like slightly went in that particular way up until we reach a stage that was painful in the country. I think that was a significant period for me personally. That's where I felt the impact of Jigimfundo programs. After attending the Chigimfundo workshops, and I said there was this critical moment around, I think it would be 2020s, the COVID period, pandemic times, you see, where everybody was scared, right? Learners, teachers, myself and everybody else. But life would have to like go on. And as a leader, you see, as a leader, I have to like make everybody feel at ease and work continues. And then there was this SMT workshop we attended for like for SMTs, which was speaking to like care and support, and then it came there. It's where now I noted that this thing is critical. Like results may be important, but a person who is like producing results is more important than results themselves. Then everything changed, and even my way of thinking and making things change right away. I moved from being a task-oriented person to be a people-oriented person. Well, with Chigimfundo program, I think there were many take homes, let me put it that way, you see, and then because uh, we now, apart from uh, uh, acquiring skills that of planning, the work, tracking of work, reflecting on what is happening, and reporting about the curriculum, you see. And then now we went on to open the communication like channels, and then have platforms where we like always talk as colleagues, to feel everybody and keep at ease. I would put it that way. Uh, well, say I would say, uh, after those Chigimfundo like workshops that we attended, there was a massive improvement in the school, because even the change of attitude from both the staff and the learners, you see, uh, you can even see it today as we are talking now. You would see the school is not yet like gone. They are like positive as that, right? Let me just go straight to immediately after the end of the pandemic. You see, because of COVID protocols, we had the time that we were utilizing for all those administrative issues that we would do before the classes came. You see, because the attitude has changed from the teachers and the learners, parents too. You see, we were starting at 7 so that we have to do all those processes before these classes came, right? But after pandemic has gone, we use that hour now and for learning. So we are still using that even today. Our school starts at 7, and then that is now a reading class, a reading class. So everybody sits down, read. We use that one as a period before classes start, right? And then that's positive. Out of that, even now, teachers are there with the learners. Learners are prepared to remain behind, right? And do the work freely without any pressure. And even if you can move around in the classrooms, we will find classes without even the teachers, learners doing the work themselves. Yeah. Well, say, I think for me, uh, the most significant change that I would like go to the grave with from Chigem Fondo is the like the shifting of the mindset, right? Of thinking that you only focus on the work for from the teachers, and not even to be uh, to empathize with you see. And then I was not that kind of a person, right, who would like go an extra mile to like understand the situation of a particular educator or even a learner for that matter, you see. So like Chigimfundo for me uh, helped me to grow in that particular aspect. Yes, I understand there were those administrative issues that were there, but the key part, as for one, I go with the growth in being a person who is caring for the staff.